Okay, now
Mhm.
start the session. What we will do, we will create some end-to-end scenario in this application, Pratik. End-to-end scenario means once the app got launched, we will search for iPhone.
Mhm.
Okay, you will search for iPhone, and upon searching for iPhone, this is what it will populate. Choose the size, choose the color, add to cart. So this is what the pop-up that's being populated. You need to handle this pop-up, and after that, click on this cart icon. Okay, on this cart, click on this quantity. The again the pop-up got populated. Select it to do. Handle the pop-up. Remove the cart. Shop now,
Mhm.
and click on a side menu. Go to my profile and log out. Okay, this is what a full lengthy end-to-end scenario that we need to deal with. Got it?
Mhm.
So I'm creating a script for that. You understood, right, Pratik? What are we going to do?
Yes. Mhm.
End-to-end scenario. Okay, that covers the pop-up, that covers the drop-down, that covers the button. Everything is being covered in that scenario. Okay, so here, as we are using a no reset, I no need to bother about it. Search a text field. This field is having an ID property, and I need to
Mhm.
enter a value into that. So here, I need to enter a iPhone into that field, Pratik.
Mhm.
So here, iPhone, we are entering. So whenever you are entering, this result is being populated. I need to click on it. So here, reload. I can click on this search results. See here, I can pick this image. This image is having again an ID property, and I can go with this product image itself directly. You know, right? We have already studied that what locators you need to pick it up,
Mhm.
right? So driver dot find element by ID, and I want to click on it. So it means it will click on this product image.
Mhm.
This is the screen it will populate. You need to select this 64 and a golden. Reload the inspector session. Choose this 64. Maximize it. Let us see the locators are here. 64
Text.
GB is having a text, and it
Yeah.
is having an ID too. Size. Okay. I clicked on that size.
Mhm.
And upon clicking on this size, golden. Again, this golden is also having a ID as a size. Definitely this will cause an issue, right? Two
Mhm.
objects are having a same locator. So definitely we need to write down an XPath here. So slash slash star open braces at the rate text is equal to search for it. So the golden is identifying, and you need to write down an XPath for this 64 GB also.
Mhm. Now, since you use size on the first one, it's gonna find the first size on the
Yes,
app, right? Okay.
yes. It will go with whichever the first size is
First,
there,
yeah.
it will go with it basically. Okay, so by.xpath, and I'm leaving it for now. The reason is there are two objects and it will prefer the first one. The first one is by default with that
Mm-hmm.
GB one itself. I just left it. Select it. Add to cart we need to click on. Okay, in the inspector, add to cart. This add to cart is having an ID. Come back here. Data click. If you click on this add to cart, a pop-up is being coming. I need to handle this pop-up also, na? So reload the screen. Hit OK on this pop-up. OK is having a confirm button ID. Go back here. Confirm button. I clicked on it. Now you need to click on this cart logo, right? So go back, reload the screen. Every time, the mobile, you need to go on a desired screen, and this one
Mm-hmm.
you need to click, you need to refresh it. This
Okay.
will be common. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The cart is having an ID property. I captured the cart and I have placed it. So if you can show you on a mobile, you need to click on it. And now you need to change this quantity, right? So first of all, reload this screen first, and then we can change the quantity. We just reloaded the screen. Now, okay, so now you need to click on this quantity. This quantity is also having an ID property. Copy it.
Mm-hmm.
Go back here. See, nothing I'm doing complex stuff. Just copying the locators and pasting here. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you clicked on this quantity. These two options will be populated. Now you need to select a second. So the second is not having an appropriate locator. So let me go with an XPath. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So driver dot find element by XPath, and the text is to data click. Okay. I am asking it to perform a click operation on this particular value. Got it, Pratik, or any questions on it?
No, it's pretty straightforward.
Yes. And then once you performed a click operation on this number two, a pop-up will come. You need to handle the pop-up.
Click
Reload
on
the
OK.
screen. Yes. You need to get a locator, na? So if
Mm-hmm.
you see
Yeah.
basically confirm button, we have already written locator for the previous pop-up, which is a confirm button. The
Mm-hmm.
locator doesn't change. Copy it and directly paste the command here.
Because a different screen, right? It's a,
Yeah, it's a different screen and the locator is one and the same. Hence, I didn't
yeah.
change the locator also.
Right.
Directly,
Okay.
I placed that command there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good enough. Now, the next point is click on OK. And after that, you need to click on this delete logo. Okay, refresh the screen. Okay, here, this is the delete logo. And the delete is having an ID property again. Copy it, go back. See, scenario wise, you may feel that it's a big, but if you see the steps wise, I'm not writing anything complex stuff. See again,
Mhm.
remove, this is the pop-up, and let me see the locator for this pop-up. If it is has the same confirm button, again, see here it has the same confirm button as a locator.
Mhm.
I can copy paste this locator, na?
Yeah, same thing.
Yes, it clicked on this okay now. And you need to click on a shop now. Shop now is having this continue shopping ID. Copy
Mhm.
it. I have a placed it. So shop now. And now it should click on this side menu. Na?
Mhm.
So reload the screen and your side menu. Here it is. And it is having a menu locator. Copy it. Go back here. Driver dot find element by ID. You need to use a click operation. You clicked on it and you need to click on a my profile. So reload the screen. Got it right? What we are trying to do. So
Mhm.
here you need to choose the my profile here. See, if you observe here, so far whatever the locator you have a selected Pratik, that
Mhm.
object got a highlighted. If you see
Mhm.
now, that object here, I'm unable to highlight it. See, basically, though I selected my wish list, nothing is being populated to my wish list. You notice it, right? My cart,
Yeah.
I am unable to select it. My orders, I have selected it. I got it only for my orders. But I'm not getting it for my profile. I'm not getting it for my wish list. Okay, we got it. So
We got yeah.
yeah, my cart, let me try. See here, no option for the my cart. You got it, right? We are unable to select it. Okay. In such
Mm.
situations, whenever you are unable to select these locators, in such situations, you need to go to your app source code. Okay. You need to go to your app source code. Got it, Pratik?
Yep. Right.
And now what we need to do is expand, 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 expand. See here, two things are there. If you select this one, the whole page is highlighting. If you select this one, if you observe, only this border is getting highlighted. You got it, right?
Yeah, it's like a inspect. Yeah.
Yes. So
Mm.
this section, this HTML will talks about this particular thing.
Mm.
So expand it, expand it. See here, these are, if you select this HTML, respective object is being highlighted. Na? So further expand it. See here, the whole
Mm.
section locators we are getting right now. So this is
Okay, there
what
it is.
the tag for the my profile. Expand it. See here, the my profile is having a text here. You got it right? How you need to deal with it?
Mm-hmm. Got it. Yep.
Okay, good enough. Perfect. Okay. Now here, this is the text. I can write down an XPath with its a text. See, without looking into this HTML also we can write down, but we should follow a process, right? So that's the reason, you just need to drill down into that app source code, and from there you can identify that information.
And we
Got
can
it?
use a locator to in that other app. just
Yes,
put in my profile and it'll point to that thing, right?
yes,
Like
yes,
a crow path, you know.
yes. So
Mm,
here I'm clicking on a my profile, and here the ultimate logout screen is there.
mm,
Reload it, select the logout. This is having an ID. It's good. We can
mm,
get it. Logout dot click on my mobile. Logout. Again, you are getting a confirmation. Reload the screen. Get this locator. This is also having a confirm button. We no need to write it. Na? You already have a confirm button.
mhm.
Copy it, paste it here. Dharmendra. Good. Done the deal. It will click on a logout. Automatically, it will come out. Okay,
Mm.
good. So here, one thing that I want to show it to you is basically, okay, where is the app instance? Okay, so one thing that I want to show it out over here is, in order to enter a search keyword in this field, are you directly entering, or first you are performing a click operation in this field, later you are entering a value, the search results? You can't enter it directly. See, if you observe, I'm pressing a click first and then I am entering the value. You got it,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
So it means how you are doing manually, the same way we need to do an automation program also.
Mm,
Okay, so without changing this one, let me try to run my test script and see what error it will populate and how to fix that error too. Got it? So in parallel, what are we trying to do here is the Pratik, we are trying to fix the issues whichever you encounter.
mhm.
See, the
Oh,
script got a failed.
yeah.
So the reason is invalid element state cannot set value. Did you interact with the current element, correct element? So the reason why it is getting is you are not dealing that object in this way in a manually also. First, you will be performing
Like
a click. So get
you can
this
put it
one.
right before it, right? Yeah.
Yes, you need
Okay.
to
Okay.
perform a click first,
And
right?
then some.
And whenever you perform a click, the screen is being changing. This is the screen. Let us
Mhm.
cross check whether this locator and a previous locator are one and the same or not. See
Yeah.
here, this is the
It might
one.
be changed. Yeah, it
Yes.
changed.
So here the locator is search edit text is your locator. Go back here.
Got to write a new driver find
Yes,
element.
driver
Mm.
not a find element by ID,
ID.
by ID. Oh, where is the send keys? Okay. Dot send keys. iPhone, I have entered now. Okay. So whenever you are getting an invalid state exception, the first thing that you need to do is just check out how you are dealing with that particular object manually and recreate your program, Pratik.
Mhm.
Okay, you need to recreate your program. Got it, or any doubts on this one?
Nope, got it.
Now let us run this script.
I think the element is wrong on the send
Yes,
keys. I
yes, the element is wrong.
think it was something. Yeah, search it.
Search it. Okay, let me
Mhm.
run this script. Run as a Java application. Now it entered, it clicked, it selected golden 64 add to cart. Okay, the pop-up, go here, and it got a failed here. The
Mhm.
reason here is, let us see, it took some time to navigate to this screen. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let me scroll up. No such element exception. So usually if it is a populating a no such element exception means I feel that it's a synchronization issue. Hence,
Timeout and
yes, timeout,
mm,
implicit wait,
implicit.
60
Yeah,
time unit
seconds.
dot seconds. Okay, it's just a synchronization issue, nothing more than that.
Mm-hmm.
I just added that a timeout terminal. Okay, let us run the program and see how this is going to work this time. Launch the app. This one, it clicked on an iPhone. It should choose this. Add to cart. Click on the cart logo. Change the quantity to 2. Now delete. Shop now. My profile. Okay, it's having a difficulty in clicking this my profile, right?
Mm-hmm.
It was up to here, na? So it needs to
Yeah.
click on this my profile. Let us see. Invalid element state, unable to complete. See the cause. So here again we are getting an invalid state, unable to compile my profile. So it's having some difficulties. Okay, if you see the issue that I have created, let me show you the line. Can understand that. Can you identify what is the issue that I have created in this line? What
It's
I
not
messed
finding
up?
the. I don't think it's finding the element, right?
Yeah, the issue is I have given an XPath as my locator strategy, but I have placed a normal text
I,
inside it.
yeah. Yeah.
Copy the XPath, update the XPath here. Okay, now run as a Java application again. Let it run and let's see. Launch the app, search it for iPhone, selected the product details, add to cart, this one, change it the quantity to 2, and then clicked on this delete, shop now, my profile, and then log out, log out. You were on it, right, Pratik?
Mm-hmm.
Or any doubts
Oh
on
yeah.
this?
No, it's pretty straightforward.
Yes, it's, that's what the thing is, but you should know how you need to achieve this one. That's the
Mm-hmm.
only thing you need to study as part of a mobile. Other than that, nothing is there.
Just
You
gotta
need
learn how to read the errors and how
uh
to solve those.
yes. You just
Mm-hmm.
need to know how to read it and how to solve it. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
If you are at that particular point, then it's good enough.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good, perfect. And then once we are done up to here, the next point that we need to consider is, okay, so here the next point that we need to do on top of this one is, okay, this is what a full and the end-to-end scenario, Pratik, that we have covered.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and on this full and the end-to-end scenario, we have created, or we have handled the pop-ups. If you remember, we handled the
Mm-hmm.
pop-up. Okay, we handle the pop-up, and we handle the drop downs, the quantity. Okay, we
Mm-hmm.
handle the quantities and other things also. We have covered here, right? So the pop-up alerts in a web driver, if at all any alert is there, you need to switch to that alert first and then you can perform the operation. But here it's not required to deal with it.
Yeah.
You
Mm-hmm.
can go ahead and directly perform that particular operation. Okay, good. Any
Mm-hmm.
questions on this?
Nope. I'll just practice on it and see.
Perfect. Yeah. So you can go ahead and practice on it, Pratik. So
Mm-hmm.
this is what a complete end-to-end scenario. And once we are done with this, the next point is we will go with the different applications, and then we have a couple more scenarios that we need to plan. So that
Mm-hmm.
is Okay, not this long press. This is about scroll down. Okay, swipe
Mhm.
followed by web view switching. These are three things. So what I want you to do is complete the stuff